project. Ano na naman yun? Oy, gagawa tayo ng bagong project. Ito. Gamitan natin ng LED. Ginawa ko lang. White LED. Clear. Meron siya resistor. Naka-series para hindi masunog. Diba? Gagawa tayo ng LED Strobe Light using Arduino Uno Microcontroller. Kakabit lang natin ito dito sa ground at saka pin number 13. Maingay yung jeep. Maingay nun Teka. At gagamitan natin ang Arduino code. Po-program tayo. Gamit tayo computer. Maingay ang mga jeep. Ayun Teka. Ano nangyari? Ito na ang ating project, LED strobe. Diba? Nag-i-strobe siya. Tapos na tayo mag-upload. Yan ang kanyang strobe. Papitik-pitik lang yung ilaw. $15 milliseconds yung delay sa coding. For the circuit, we are using Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno. Connected is the 5 volts USB. Okay, and then for the code, the output is connected to pin number 13 with a resistor and LED in series. And then to the ground. The ground is pin number ground. So this is the out 13 with resistor, LED, then to the ground. We use this USB connection for encoding and for powering this LED strobe. Why is it producing a strobing effect? Because of in the code, we're using 15 milliseconds delay for the code, resulting into a short duration of flashing of LED. Short duration, 15 milliseconds. It's a 15 milliseconds in the code. That's why it will produce a strobing effect. So this is the microcontroller. Just connect it to the 5 volts. This 5 volts is connected to the PC. PC, which is 5 volts via USB extension to the USB of the microcontroller, MUSI. Okay?